Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to JK Media Productions, where we bring you entertainment and edutainment to your homes, or more like your fingertips, you know what I mean? Okay, so if you're just joining us for the first time, we honor you. We would like you to subscribe, hit the subscribe button so that when we upload new products or new content, you will be the first to know. And if you have subscribed, you're a returning visitor. Wow, you are the real MVP. Thank you so very much. But don't forget to like our videos, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. There might just be somebody in your network who needs the solutions to what we discuss on this channel periodically. Okay, I'm back again with our guests, Mr. Damilare, the MD CEO of NAWODE Herbal Mixture. And believe you me, he is good at what he does. If you are joining us for the first time, or if you have not viewed any of our other videos, please do. We have spoken on quite a number of ailments. We've spoken on the low sperm count. We've spoken on weak erection. We've spoken on fats. Just scroll through our channel, and I'm sure you're going to see something that interests you. So today, we are going to be talking on high blood pressure. Now, this is very dear to me, because sometime last year, I lost my best friend to high blood pressure. Had I known that this existed, she will be alive with us today. Okay, now I'm sure our viewers are in a hurry to know what they can use at home to cure this ailment, or at best reduce it. So what herbs do we have that works for high blood pressure?
That's fine. The herbs we have is the moringa, the dongoyaro, the grass,
Lemongrass.
the lemongrass. You
Oh,
can
really?
see, yes.
So
And then
we have moringa,
you can
moringa
see
leaf, we have dogoyaro leaf, we have lemongrass. What else?
you can see this.
Okay, this
Aloe
is
vera.
aloe vera.
Yes.
This is aloe vera. What else?
And then this aberry as well.
Oh, looks as if abere is a very potent
Yes.
something. Oh.
You can see that.
So we're having abere in this again. Okay, Mr. Damilare, how do we prepare this?
Now you get your pot,
You get a pot.
then put a water,
What quantity of water do you put?
5 liters.
5 liters of water.
Then this aberry, put it inside first.
How many seeds of abere?
Aberry, like 10.
Okay.
Then you peel it. You peel the aberry. Then after it, then this aloe vera. We're going to put the aloe vera, the sample of this aloe vera. See that?
So this quantity is okay.
This quantity is okay. Yes.
This quantity of aloe vera.
Yes, it's okay. Then put the lemongrass.
What quantity of lemongrass now?
This
Is this quantity?
This is okay. Yes, this is okay. I'm going to squeeze it like this. You squeeze it.
Okay,
This
so
will go.
basically, you get a pot, put in 5 liters of water. You're going to put 10 seeds of the abere. Please, if there's anyone in the comment section who knows the English name for abere, kindly include it there. Now, don't forget that your abere, you need to peel off.
You peel it.
You need to peel off the back seed, so you get that. So you put 10 seeds of abere. You put something like. Do we dice this aloe vera?
Yes, you cut it now.
Okay.
Once you cut it, you see that
The gel.
There's some gel, some water, like water gel or something. So to mix, that's
Okay.
more effective.
So you dice your aloe vera, this quantity, you put it into the water. Now you said that the lemongrass, look at the quantity of the lemongrass. Okay, you dip your lemongrass into the water. What goes next, sir?
Then It's moringa.
The moringa.
Seed.
Is it this quantity?
Yes.
Do we boil it with the stalk or we peel it with?
No, you remove the rope that's inside, then you squeeze it like this, then you boil it with it. So once you boil it with it, then.
So you're boiling. You don't need to. You know the way we pluck vegetable when we want to cook. You don't need to do that. You're boiling the moringa with the sticks. Then you insert your moringa. Now look at the quantity of the moringa leaf. Okay, for this quantity of lemongrass.
Yes.
Okay, and then the dogon yarrow. Are we using the whole of this?
Yes, good. We are using all of this.
Wow.
Then you can squeeze like
Pretty
this.
much, really. And the same thing goes for your dogon yarrow leaf. You don't pluck it. You just squeeze and you put it into your pot.
Yes.
So you will know that the size of pot you're going to use has to be something that can contain all of this. Now, please take a look at the quantity of the dogon yarrow leaf. So after, how many minutes do we boil this for, sir?
Like 15 minutes.
So okay. we boil for 15 minutes, and then after that, what next?
Then it's good to you can drink it. Yes, it's good to. Then after boiling it and all that, then the one cup of 1 cup. You can take 1 cup. So after 1 cup, then you take it 3 days in a week.
So 1 cup 3 times a week.
Yes,
is it just once a day?
Once a day. Once a day.
1 cup once a day, and you take that 3 times a week. Now, sir, how often should I check my blood pressure while taking this?
After, very good question. After this, we have been taking it for 1 week. Go and check your VP.
The blood with any pharmacy.
Any pharmacy or whatever. You see that.
Okay, can I ask a question? Another question. Now, when I boil this, every time I want, is it something that I keep boiling every day?
Yes,
or
yes.
it's
you
just
keep boiling every day, like 1 or 2 weeks, 1 week or 2 weeks. After that, then
you change it.
You change it, it will come back to normal levels. The high blood pressure and everything will be all right. Then you can go to.
Okay, so basically, after preparing your concoction, you're to boil it, I think, every morning, every day.
Yes.
But you're taking it 3 times a day.
Yes.
Now, this mixture should be used for a maximum of 2 weeks.
Yes.
After 2 weeks, if you've not gotten the results you need, you prepare a fresh mixture.
Yes.
I think basically in simple English, that's what he's trying to say. Okay, is there anything else that our viewers should know? About the high blood pressure.
About the yes, about high blood pressure. There are some things that you need to eat and not to eat. You understand? It's not about the high blood pressure. When you have a high blood pressure, you know, for someone that have a high blood pressure, too much of sex is not really good.
Okay, so if you have high blood pressure, please do not kill yourself in bed. Do not try to overdo your partner. He says it's not too good. You need to reduce that. What of salt? Does salt aid?
Salt is not really good. No salt, no.
Okay, so
even Maggi, salt, Maggi is not. So you are going to reduce.
So you take less
content
of salt and all these seasonings.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else they should know?
Then too much of stress.
And try not
and
to
too much
stress.
Overthink is not good.
Try not to stress yourself. You know what we have a parlance in Nigeria that says wahala no dey ever finish.
Yes.
So wahala no dey finish. No just go kill yourself on top say you dey overthink.
Na so.
Every problem gets solution. Yes. Everything wey get beginning, e go kukuma get end. So no kill yourself oh. Take calm. Je. All right. Okay, Mr. Damilare, thank you so much for this amazing information that you have given us. I'm very sure that our viewers out there will appreciate this, and that is why they are going to like this video, they're going to comment, and they are going to subscribe and share. And don't forget, whilst doing that, you stand a chance of winning our grand monthly prize of 10,000 naira. Now big money now, with the way economy day. I sure say we say 10K. At least it go buy you data. Abi, I don't talk true. I talk true. Thank you so much, Mr. Damilare. We hope to have more interactive sessions with you
sir. Yes, ma'am.
soon. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and see you in our next episode.
And don't forget to like our
yeah.